So in this video then, we're going to look at how to set up ChatGPT. So ChatGPT then is an AI designed to assist with the variety of tasks. And we've already said that, this is going to be a game changer for you as teachers and what you can do in your classrooms. Whether it's crafting personalized learning materials or generating quizzes, or even providing feedback on essays, ChatGPT is here to enhance your educational toolkit. So to set up your account then is really simple and straightforward, and I'm going to walk it through how you can do that. So we start off by visiting the official ChatGPT website. So you open your web browser and you navigate to the ChatGPT website at https://chat.openai.com. Make sure that you are on the correct site. There are a few sites out there that are now trying to replicate, but make sure that you're on the correct site so you can keep your information secure. Okay, so once you're on this page, we then go to the sign up button that is usually located in the middle of the page here. So if you click on it, it will set you on your journey, and there are several ways that you can start to fill in your details, enter your information such as your name and address, your email address, and of course your password to access ChatGPT. Remember, as educators and as teachers, ensure that your password is strong and secure is pretty crucial. And also remember that this account that you're going to use will be an invaluable resource for you in your teaching arsenal. So once that you have you've done all that, you'll get and you filled all your details in, you'll need to verify your email address. That is a simple step, as you may have done it loads of times with other things. Just open your email box, find the verification email from ChatGPT, and then to click on the link. So with your email verified, then you can log in. So I've now logged into my ChatGPT account, and we're all set to start to explore ChatGPT. So really take some time to explore the dashboard. I set this account up really in another email address. It's not my main ChatGPT account, but you'll find a range of tools and settings that are designed to cater for your educational needs. Before you dive in, consider customizing your account to also suit your teaching style, and ChatGPT offers various settings. If you go down to the left hand corner on the settings tab, you'll have that can help tailor its assistance to your specific classroom scenarios. So we know then that artificial intelligence has made significant advancements with programs like OpenAI's ChatGPT becoming more sophisticated and more useful. So in this short introductory video, I'm going to guide you through setting up your GPT account, and just to highlight a few of its features and functionalities. So we've been through how to get into your ChatGPT account. You access it of course by chat.openai.com, and as we've talked about, you have the option to create a completely free account using your email and setting that unique password. Alternatively, you can use an existing login such as a Google account. Once you've created your account, you'll land on this, which is the ChatGPT homepage, and here you'll notice that there are two different icons. If you go up to ChatGPT 3.5, you'll also see ChatGPT 4. So if you've not subscribed to the paid version, only the 3.5 option will be visible. So you can then decide whether you want to upgrade. I would really advise you to. but obviously ChatGPT 3.5 is the default option available to all users. Now, while it's faster, it's been trained though on less data compared to ChatGPT-4. But users might wish to test out ChatGPT-4 can do so by paying that $20 a month subscription. ChatGPT-4 also comes with the added benefits. It allows users to browse using Microsoft Bing and gives access to GPTs, which functions like the App Store on a mobile device. And here users can access various types of data from different companies, and note these features are only exclusive to ChatGPT-4, which I can quickly show you on here. So if I can't because I'm not into my own account, but as you'll see, this is the screen that says where you can upgrade to ChatGPT-4 to pay you $20. So on the ChatGPT interface on the left side then displays the previous messages or conversations that you've had with ChatGPT. I'll just click on that. As an example, you can hide this sidebar or open a new ChatGPT window just by clicking on the new chat at the top. The message box or the prompt below is where you input your questions or your commands to ChatGPT, and there's such a thing called prompt engineering, which is the process of tailoring your input to achieve the most effective responses from AI models, and that's a crucial part when you start to interact with ChatGPT or even other models that we'll look at later on. And later in this section, in this guide, we will delve into this concept a bit more and talk more about prompts and the sort of prompts that you can use, the sort of prompts that you'll need in regards to being a teacher and using it in the classroom. So if you click once again down here, you can click on the settings tab, and you can fill all the bits and pieces here as well. You can switch between dark mode and light mode, like so. And you can also enable multi-factor authentication as well if you want to, and you can archive chats. So if you've got a whole string of chats that go back 3 or 4 weeks, you can archive all those, or you can delete all the chats as well, and you can actually disable the chat history or any training that ChatGPT has collected from you. Okay, the other options that you've got, if you click onto here, you sort of customize ChatGPT. Now that will actually ask you what you would like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. So that's where you could fill in a bit of a bio about yourself and what you're going to use ChatGPT for. And then you can also dictate really how you would like ChatGPT to respond. Now that's basically in the tone of the response that you want. So do you want a professional response? Do you want a chatty response? So what sort of conversational responses do you want to have with ChatGPT? So ChatGPT, Bard and Claude 3 represent the forefront of AI language model technology. Each one has its own unique capabilities that can significantly contribute to the classroom. So while these models share some common functionalities, their distinct features can offer varied benefits in various educational environments. Let's start then with ChatGPT. So as we've seen, ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, excels in generating human-like text based on the prompts that it receives. Now, this capability can make learning more interactive and engaging for students by providing instant responses to their queries. simulating discussions, and facilitating role-play exercises in subjects such as history or literature. It can also act as a writing and revision aid. It can assist students in improving their writing skills by offering suggestions for revisions, helping with grammar and punctuation, and also provide examples of various writing styles too. Now, teachers can also use ChatGPT to create personalized learning materials such as quizzes, summaries, explanatory notes that can cater to the diverse needs of students in their particular classroom. Okay, let's move on to look at what was originally called Google Bard and is now called Gemini. So Bard was introduced by Google with the aim to harness the breadth of the internet for generating their responses. This capability can be particularly beneficial in the classroom for encouraging research and discovery among your students. Bard can help students explore a wide range of topics and provide up-to-date information, and also fostering a culture of curiosity and lifelong learning. Given Bard's integration with Google search capabilities, it can also provide teachers and students with access to a vast array of resources, which can include things like scholarly articles, news stories, and educational websites directly within its responses, making it a powerful tool to use for research and learning in the classroom. So moving on to Claude 3. Claude 3 was developed by Anthropic and is designed to understand context and nuance a lot better. This ability makes it a valuable tool for summarizing complex texts, making them accessible to students at different reading levels. Claude can help break down difficult concepts in subjects like science and maths and can offer extremely simplified explanations. Claude 3 also emphasizes safety and reducing harmful outputs, which is critical in a classroom setting. Its design was to minimize misinformation and bias, and this can help ensure that the information that is provided to your students is reliable and is appropriate for educational use. Claude 3's capabilities can also be tuned more specifically to educational contexts, providing feedback on student assignments, facilitating interactive learning experiences, and even helping in developing critical thinking skills by challenging students' responses with probing questions. So how can these tools then help you in the classroom? One of the main ways is by enhancing engagement. By providing interactive and instant feedback, these AI tools can keep students engaged and motivated. Another area is personalized learning. They can cater to individual learning pace and style, and therefore offering personalized assistance and resources to match the student. You can also, as a teacher, leverage these models to quickly generate teaching materials and assessments and personalized feedback, saving valuable preparation time. And these tools can also offer additional support to students with learning disabilities through customized exercises and the accessibility features that they also have. They can engage students in critical thinking. By engaging students in discussions and debates, these AI tools can foster critical thinking and analytical skills. So in summary then, ChatGPT, Bard and Claude 3 each bring unique strengths to the classroom that can enhance the educational experience. From creating engaging learning materials to supporting personalized learning and encouraging exploration, these AI models represent a significant step forward in integrating technology into education. So understanding the differences then between OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 versions of ChatGPT is vital when deciding which version to use. So in this short video, we'll delve into the strengths and limitations of each, providing a comprehensive comparison. One of the prominent limitations then of ChatGPT 3.5 at the time of this recording is its lack of internet access. This implies then that it cannot provide up-to-date information, making it a bit less effective for tasks requiring real-time or recent data. However, there are some GPTs that offer limited internet access, but it's important to note that these might come off as a bit clunky. So if your tasks don't necessitate internet access or current information, ChatGPT 3.5 will particularly be suffice for your needs. This version, while trained on a large dataset, has a smaller dataset than GPT-4, which might then limit its comprehensiveness and its accuracy. ChatGPT-4 then, in contrast, comes with built-in internet access, thanks to OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft. This integration then allows GPT-4 to leverage Bing for sourcing online data, which significantly enhances its responses that it can give. Furthermore, ChatGPT-4 is trained on a larger dataset than ChatGPT 3.5, which contributes then to its greater intelligence. You'll notice the difference as soon as you start using the tool, as it's likely to offer a more accurate, a more comprehensive and detailed response using ChatGPT-4. However, it is important to consider the two major limitations of ChatGPT-4. The first one then is that it operates at a slower pace than ChatGPT 3.5 and other engines such as Bard or Bing. Secondly, ChatGPT currently imposes a limit on the number of requests that you can make within a certain time frame. Now, while this limit resets every few hours, it may affect your usage if you have intensive requirements. The internet browsing function in ChatGPT-4 is another aspect that needs improvement. While it provides a significant advantage over ChatGPT 3.5, it's currently quite time-consuming and less efficient compared to other tools out there. In conclusion then, choosing between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 3.4 will depend on your specific need and your specific requirement. ChatGPT-4, despite its limitations, offers a more advanced and informative user experience due to the internet access and due to the larger training dataset.